Let me recap what we have discussed so far. We have interfaced, at least in hardware, our 16x2 LCD with 8051 microcontroller. In a 16x2 LCD, we have studied there are three types of pins. We have a group of pins, what we call as power pins, LED anode, LED cathode, used to backlight the LED. Then we have VSS and VCC. VSS is connected to ground and VCC is connected to VCC. They are used to give power supply to LCD. Then we have VEE, that's used for controlling LCD contrast. Then we have three more pins. They are RS, register select, read write, and enable. They are known as control pins. They are connected to P2.0, P2.1, P2.2. And then we have 8 data pins, D0 to D7. These we have connected to port 1, P1.0 to P1.7. The 8-bit data pins D0 to D7 are actually used to send information to LCD, or in some cases read the contents of LCD's internal registers, that is data register or command register, and send that data to microcontroller. To display letters and numbers, we need to send ASCII codes of these letters, maybe A to Z or small a to Z, or numbers 0 to 9, using these pins D0 to D7. And at the same time we need to select RS equal to 1. That means when RS will be equal to 1, data register will be selected, and whenever we send any data to D0 to D7, that data will be stored in data register and eventually will be displayed on LCD screen. Apart from this, there are also instruction command codes that can be sent to the LCD to do certain functions, like to clear the display, or to force the cursor to the home position, or to blink the cursor. For example, in a 16 cross LCD we have discussed so far, I have already told you there are two rows, and in each row we can display 16 characters, character 1 up to character 16. Character 1, character 16. In some cases, maybe I want to start my data from row 2. I want to write here A, write here B, write here C. So in that case I have to use a certain command that will force the cursor to this position, to the first position of row 2. Or in some cases maybe I want to start from here, position 8 of row 1. So I have to send a certain command to LCD that will force my cursor to here. Apart from these things, commands are also used for some other functions, like clearing the display, clear the display. They may also be used, for example, to increment the cursor. Cursor is here. Now I want to move cursor here. I have to increment the cursor. That I will do by sending a particular command to the LCD. They are also used for maybe turning the display on or off.